Simple present questions. What, where, what time? Hello everyone, this is Mrs. C. Welcome to English Lessons with, of course, me, Mrs. Z. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell to get new notifications for new videos. Let's begin. This is a review. We use the simple present to talk about habits, routines, and things we do regularly. Look. Affirmative sentences with a simple present. He eats pizza. Negative. He doesn't eat pizza. Yes, no questions. Does he eat pizza? WH questions. What does he eat? Where does he eat? What time does he eat? Simple present WH questions. These are some examples of WH questions. What, where, what time? Questions with what? What? The auxiliary do plus the pronouns I, you, we, they, or the auxiliary does for the pronouns he, she, it, plus the simple form of the verb do, want, mean, plus the complement for lunch. Here are some examples. What do they do? What does he want for lunch? What does it mean? Make questions and answer them. You, what, want? What do you want? I want a burger. She like what? What does she like? She likes flowers. Questions with where. Where plus the auxiliary do for the pronouns I, you, we, they, or the auxiliary does for the pronouns he, she, it, plus the simple form of the verb live, go, work, plus the complement. Here are some examples. Where do you live? Where do they go every day? Where does she work? Make questions and answer them. We, where, go on Fridays. Where do we go on Fridays? We go to the movies. He live where? Where does he live? He lives in Canada. Questions with what time? What time plus the auxiliary do for the pronouns I, you, we, they, or the auxiliary does for the pronouns he, she, it, plus the simple form of the verb go, wake up, do, plus the complement to school, homework. Here are some examples. What time do we go to school? What time do they wake up? What time does it do homework? Make questions and answer them. She, what time have lunch? What time does she have lunch? She has lunch at 1 o'clock. They go home what time? What time do they go home? They go home at 4. Write out one question in the comments section and I will answer it. Thanks, and that's all for today. See you next time.